wait. In case if that is my car, my heart be like bah, 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 bah. After literally almost like 6 to 7 months here. So literally from past March, no workouts at all. That makes me a little bit chubby. I used to do more walk or longer distance to balance my weight. I put on a little bit weight here, definitely because of that. After 6 to 7 months, just now I'm starting my workouts just before Diwali. 2 days, we have to do workout definitely, like which keep us engaging and involving into our work. We can perform in our job with full potential. That's the reason we have to keep on engaging ourselves. So if you do workout each and every day, if we go with workout with that flow, we have to be used to for that type of lifestyle. Trust me. If you just start, if you push yourself, you have to motivate yourself, you have to push yourself in the starting stage. After everything goes like a killer. One more thing, so this vlog is all about Hyundai i20 N-Line. As I am going to check the new N-Line i20 from Hyundai. A little bit very small vlog, not a review. Definitely it's not a review. It's just excitement when I see and feel that car. Excitement levels I put on the camera, that's it. By the way, happy Diwali. In case if I post this vlog late Diwali, belated happy Diwali.
నికి బైక్ తీసి ఎక్కడ దేవుడి ఇంట్లోనా
టిపికల్ డేసీ మామ్స్, ఇండియన్ మామ్స్. దేవుడి దగ్గర టెంకాయల దగ్గర ఫైల్ దగ్గర కీస్ అండ్ గ్యాడ్జెట్స్ టు అబ్బా ఎట్లా వస్తుంది ఐడియా. ఓ డైట్ స్పాయిల్ అగైన్, మళ్ళా డైట్ స్పాయిల్. డెఫినెట్లీ కాన్ స్టాప్. ఇట్లాంటి చూస్తాం అప్. This badging, especially N-Line badging, even on the steering, detailing on part. This is for traction control. So and this is for traction control. If you off this, you're gonna play like hell. The whole power, you can unleash the whole power, man. You can unleash the whole power of the engine and you can do miracles like fish tail. What you're seeing exact, you can do those stunts, sliding, drift, everything you can do if you switch off this. So this is like directly connected to traction control, and this is view 360 degrees. I think so, 360 degree view. Now I need to explain normal basic from it. Of course you can find this from every car. You can fit 1 liter bottle here definitely, and total 6 speakers, 6 airbags, which makes cool definitely. So the whole design, the layout, everything, the finishing is like literally premium, like ultra pro premium. Each and every bit and every part is totally sporty. This radiations, everything feels totally sporty. And see, this is like IMT, which like literally, and this is like IMT, and which is literally like new technology, literally like brand new technology, which is like next level pro of technology. You don't have that clutch pedal here, but you can do manual. So but you can go with manual, and at the same time you got paddle shifters. This is like something beyond. Playing with paddle shifters is like killer, yeah, killer definitely. And this is SOS, no need to explain, I think so. And this is like breakdown. So if you push this button, and the system gonna connect to the Hyundai like service people, and those people gonna send some vehicle to carry your car, like to get your car to the home or service center, wherever upon this depends upon you. And this is like blue connect something. So this is like package, there is a subscription. So and this you can handle like the whole car things, like the whole navigation, everything, and where the car moves. So if you suppose if you are giving this car to your son or some XZ by your friend, so you can see and operate your car regarding engine, everything, and where it's going, what at what speed, and at what mileage it's giving at that time, exact particular time at that particular speed. So the whole things, each and every point you can see and check out from the app directly from your phone. So of course, like even if car is like out of the box, out of the state or out of the city, you can see the whole things from your phone itself. That's the interesting part. Even you got rear AC, again here to color essence. Even headroom is good enough, and again you have lot of space for legroom too. You can sit around. Even you got charging point there. Even you can charge like big Galaxy Ultra mobiles here. There is enough space to charge, and this is like wireless charging. And you got this media system where you can get navigation, everything, each and everything, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system, which is seamlessly, which is connected to Hyundai app. Blue Link, just I mentioned you before, right? Like things about how about mileage, how about speed, and where the car exact location if you given to some XY person. So everything you can check directly from your phone through Hyundai Blue Link app, and you connect from this media system with the help of your phone and application. By the way, you got voice recognition too, Hyundai voice assistant, just like Google Assistant or Bixby or some Siri. So this is for Hyundai. Look at this design. Cushion and leather quality feels like premium here, literally ultra premium. Then you got rear AC, again here to color essence. This car is all about, so displacement is like 998 cc and 120 PS of power and 172 Nm of torque, and you get 7D speed DCT and IMT2, so which is like intelligent manual transmission, which is like next level, new level of technology. So it's like a next level pro of technology. So you can do manual, and at the same time it will be automatic. So and it is like very smooth, and even it got like highest mileage if you compare with any gearbox. And fuel capacity is like 37 liters. It is more than enough for touring, man. And body is too light enough and well built, so you can feel that premium each and every corner of the car. So by that, even the mileage is too good. You are getting CR tires, which is good for off-road too. Definitely these tires are very good in off-road and on-road. And it got shorter wheelbase, which is like sweet in the corners. Again inline badge. So this is the red essence, which makes totally premium and sportier. Definitely the whole cabin feels sporty with these paddle shifters, with these tick buttons, and you have cruise control. That is like miracle. Oh my god. So your voice assistant too, lot of everything. This is like huge tech here. This is definitely 15 lakhs worth of 15 lakhs. This is DCT variant, so not even IMT. So DCT on in this budget is like next level. It feels, oh, even you got upper mein open roof, and it feels so spacious, and leather quality, everything feels too premium. So if you have a budget of 15 lakhs, definitely this is worth it. Definitely this is worth. And I don't know the boot space, and this is like something unique. The design is too good here. That windows, that small chota window, and it's for 4 people, 5 people aram se you can go, and designed for 4 people. This is like super fast hatchback, definitely. So which is like literally competition for Volkswagen Polo, and the quality feels premium, too premium. Like each and every bit, it feels too premium. So you got even the back with totally LED setup, whole LED setup. And look at this petrol cap here. Just they mixed it well with the design. And even it got cruise control here. And you got keyless entry. you got 310 or 11 liters of boot space. Bumper, the whole thing designed to be sportier side. Each and every bit makes you feel sporty, man. Even you got outside that red essence just to make more sportier. And the most interesting part is this exhaust. It's gonna growl and sounds like anything. Just look at that.